Heyo! I hope everybody's having a safe and happy quarantine. I'm going stir crazy, and it's only been a day and like a half. And tomorrow I get to go back to work because I'm essential at both of my jobs. Yeah, I have two. I think the hardest part is being stuck in the house. I never really thought about how my life would be impacted with this quarantine. It's driving me nuts. Just sitting back making this YouTube video as well as crafting. This morning I actually watched a movie, Set It Up on Netflix. That was amazing. Not the first time that I watched it, but I like it a lot. Over here we have my little baby Stella. Stella! Oh, isn't she adorable? I'm just a really big butt for waking her. Hi, princess. How you doing, girl, huh? Give me kisses? Oh, aw. I was hoping to potentially make a Minecraft video. I haven't had the ambition to string it together or figure out, well, I kind of know how to figure it out on my PlayStation. However, I've been really into Modern Warfare and digging that. I also got to make some delicious food tonight, and it was chicken with the Ritz crumbles, fried green beans with, well, I should say they're technically sauteed, with minced garlic and, oh yeah, potatoes. That was delicious, as well as I've been trying to write. I'm on my second story now. Well, okay, so I have a lot of stories, but I'm basically in the second true, like, push on Wattpad. The first one I had finished maybe like a couple weeks ago. It's called Animals. I decided to finish it. I started it in 2015. The ending isn't necessarily the best, but I'm open to opinions and, well, I should say constructive criticism, because I don't really care for the negativity. So you guys are also probably wondering, what the heck does she have on her chest? I've been dizzy for a while, and I'm hoping to get some answers. I had an EKG done like 2 Fridays ago, and it came back abnormal. I'm hoping that everything's okay. Yeah, hopefully. We'll see. So, hope everybody else out there stays healthy, safe, and yeah.